This is a multiple choice question from an AS paper, so end of year 12, and we're looking at isotopes of chlorine-35 and chlorine-37, the ratio 3:1, so all quite familiar. And we are asked specifically about the peaks that we might get on the mass spectrum of a Cl2 molecule. So, first thing that you've got to think about is how the chlorine molecules can exist. And you can have chlorine-35 with chlorine-35. Now, you're possibly already ahead of me here thinking that that's going to be a peak at 70. And we've also got 37 and 35 giving a peak at 72. Now, we've also got 37-37 giving a peak at 74. So if we've got 70, 72 and 74, we can automatically disregard A and disregard D. We know the answer is going to be B or C, and we're at 50-50. There's one more consideration about the isotope that can be made, and that is that while we can have a chlorine-37 with a chlorine-35, we can also have a chlorine-35 with a chlorine-37. Now, from there, we can start to use our maths knowledge that there's a 3 in 4 chance of a chlorine atom being chlorine-35. So we can say that 35-35 is 3/4 times 3/4. 37-35 is 1/4 times 3/4. 35-37 is 3/4 times 1/4. And 37-37 is just 1/4 times 1/4. We can then do the maths here, and we can see when we take ourselves into sixteenths, we've got a 9/16, 6/16, and 1/16. And that takes us to B.